Welcome to Vst CoreB Trailers, one of India's largest trailer manufacturers. We have more than 2 lakh square meters shaded area with fully automated CNC machines. Are you planning to buy a trailer? If yes, I will tell you why you should choose Vst CoreB Trailers. We have the best CNC plasma cutting machines for precise cutting without heating the material, and our chassis is fabricated with submerged arc welding, which is the best technology in the world. Our trailers are manufactured on fabricated chassis for long life, durability, and no cracks in the future. We have an in-house machine shop where we manufacture from tiny parts to big mechanical parts because we do believe in quality and we use only graded material. We have CNC cutting and bending machines that can bend up to 15 meters long metal, so you will not have any joints in your trailer walls. For the welding, we use CO argon gas, which consists of 80% argon and 20% CO2 gas that has the best welding quality. We have a total of 36 bays to manufacture up to 36 trailers in a day, and we have a maximum of 48-hour cycle for any product to complete production and quick delivery. Our trailer's surface finish is done by shot blasting, and later it comes to the paint booth where 1K epoxy primer and paint process are done at a decided temperature, so the trailer will have a longer paint life and good paint quality. After that production part, our engineers do the pre-dispatch inspection where they do every inspection and check the functionality, then they approve it for dispatch, and that our trailer is ready for our happy customers and giving them smile on their face because of the best quality and on-time delivery. We have a wide range of products where we manufacture customized products for special purposes as well. Our trailer has all the modern features as per your requirement. So that's it, and thanks for visiting our production plant. If you have any concerns, feel free to call on our toll-free number.
Vst CoreB Trailers. Transforming transportation.